We have to design finite automata for the set of string ending with 101. We know for finite automata we have to draw the table transition diagram, transition table Q on sigma produces Q. So what is sigma? Sigma is already given 101 means it is a binary number system. So what we have to do? We have to calculate the sigma closure. After finding the sigma closure, we are going to collect all the strings. After collecting all the strings, we are going to consider only the strings according to the requirement. For example, 101, then 0101, and so on. So what we are going to do? We are going to start finding Q. So in Q, as usual, QS will be the initial state with no input and no output. After collecting all the acceptable states, string, what we are going to consider only the first string. The first string is 101, which is accepted by your finite automaton, in which consists of three positions 1, 0, and 1. So this one will be considered as a third last position. This will be considered the second last position. This will be the last position. So what we are going to start finding the strings from the third last position. So if the string is starting with 1, so this contain out of 3 position, it contains the one third of your output. So we can consider this as a 25%. We can consider also 30% also. So out of 3 position, 1 position we got. So the third position we can consider with the name as Q1. That means out of 101 we got 1. Similarly, at the third position we are getting 0. So here all the rejected strings in which the string has started with 0, that means the third position, see the third position is 0. So those kind of strings will be rejected and will be given the name as Q0. Okay, so the Q0 is the state in which the third position itself is 0. Now after the third position will we jump to the second position. If the second position is 0, which is according to the requirement, it will contain the 50% of the required string will be marked as Q2. Here also, in the case of rejected string, the third position is 0, but the second position, if it is 0, then it will go jump to Q0. If the second bit is 1, that means your string is containing some portion of your required string, that is the third position we can consider as 1. So this will be marked as Q1 string. Okay, now we'll jump to the last position. The last position is 1, definitely that will be the final state marked as Q3, and we have to put asterisk or we can say the double circle. Okay, now here the same thing is common to all the string which are accepted by our string, because the string is ending with 101. Whether it is going to start with 0 or 1, we are going to least bother about that, but we had found out the three major states as QS. We have find out all the major states as QS. Q1 containing 25%, that is 1. Q2 containing 50%, that is 10. Q3 containing all the required string, that is 101. Q0 containing nothing. That is the time to design the table. So now we are going to consider QS. What is QS? QS, we know the QS with the first with we can say the first bit or the last bit, second last bit and the last bit. So if the second last bit is QS and the last bit is 0, so what string is represented by QS? QS nothing, represent nothing, so it is 0. So the third last bit is 0. For the third last bit we have given the name as Q0. QS with the next bit is 1. QS represent nothing, that is 1. So the third bit that we had marked initially, so the third bit out of this 3 position is 1. If this is a case, so what? This is Q1. So this condition is Q1. Now what is Q0? Q0, the third last bit is 0. See, here the third last bit we had considered as 0, where the string has started with 0. With the next bit as 0. With the next bit as 0 will make 0, 0. So 0, 0 itself is totally rejected by your string. So it will be Q0. Now Q0, that is the third last bit as 0 with the next bit as 1. That means it contains some portion of your 101. Out of 101 we got the first one, so that is represented by Q1 state. So that is 0 and 1. Q0 with the next bit as 1 represent Q1 state. That's why Q0 on 0 goes to Q0, Q0 on 1 goes to Q1. Now QS on 0 goes to Q0. We had considered Q0 as the next state. QS as 1 goes to Q1. Now this state we have to consider. So now we are considering Q1. What is Q1? Now we have to check which string is represented by Q1. Q1 represents the string in which the third bit, the third last bit, or we can say the first bit is 1, is Q1. Okay, after Q1, if the next bit is 0, which is according to our requirement, will go to Q2 state. And after Q1, if the next bit is 1, this is Q1, and if the next bit is 1, it will remain to Q1 only. So that we had considered Q1 represents first bit as 1. With the first bit as 1, with the next bit as 0, it will be 1 0, which is containing the 50% of the answer. So it will go to Q2. So Q1 on 0 goes to Q2. Q1 on the Q1 represent the string 1 with the next bit as 1 will make 1 1, out of which it contain the 25% of our solution will goes to Q1. So Q1 on 1 goes to Q1. Now Q1 on 0 goes to Q0, Q2, which is the new state. Now this state we have to consider. Out of this table, Q0, Q1, Q0, Q1 and Q1, we had considered Q0, Q1. Now the new state is Q2. That's why we have to consider Q2 state. Now what is Q2 state? The Q2 is the state in which the first bit, the third last bit is 1, second last bit is 0. That is the Q2 state. And after this 1 0, if the next bit is 0, so what will be the case? If the next bit, if 1 0 and this was the second last bit and the last bit, so this will be considered out of 3 positions, 2 positions are already occupied by 0 0. So that will be the 100% rejection. That's why Q2 represent 1 0. 1 0 with the next bit as 0 will make 100. Out of 3 position, most of the position are rejected string. That's why it will contain Q0. So Q2 on 0 goes to Q0. Q2 is 1 0 with the next bit as 1, which is our required string that will go to Q3. Q3 is the final state that will get to mark as a final state. Now Q3, what is Q3 is 1 0 and 1. Now out of this 1 0 1, if we are appending one more 0, so it will become 1 0 1 0. Now we have to consider 3 position, 1 2 and 3, third last, second last and last. Out of this, the last and second last contain 50% of the required string, which is Q2. That's why Q3 on 0 goes to Q2. Q3, what is Q3? String represent Q3 is 1 0 1 with the next bit is 1. Out of this 3 position, the last 2 position is representing only the 25% of your required string. That's why it is going to Q1. So Q3 on 1 goes to Q1. Now we have to draw the state transition diagram. According to this table, we have drawn this state transition diagram. Initial state is QS marked with the arrow. Final state is marked Q3 marked with the double circle. QS on 0 goes to Q0. QS on 1 goes to Q1. Q0 on 0 goes to Q0. Q0 on 1 goes to Q1. Q1 on 0 goes to Q2. Q1 on 1 goes to Q1. Q2 on 0 goes to Q0. Q2 on 1 goes to Q3. Q3 on 0 goes to Q2 and Q3 on 1 goes to Q1. One more thing, if it is a binary number system, every state should have 2 outgoing arrows, number as 0 or 1. Here we can check QS with 2 output string, name as 0 and 1. Q0 with 2 output string, 0 and 1. Q1 with the 2 outgoing arrows, 0 and 1. Q2 with the 2 outgoing arrow, 0 and 1. Q3 with 2 output arrow, 0 and 1. This is how you can cross verify your diagram also, whether the diagram is correct or not.